Hello guys. So I've been coding for like 4 months now, and I would like to show you some of the VS Code tips I've been using in just 3 minutes. So the first one is this emet. They call it emet. It's like an exclamation mark to like get all the VS Code. I call it blueprints because I don't know what they are called. So whenever you type this exclamation mark, you get this doc tag. So yeah. So the second tips I've been using is easier way to like add tags inside another tags. Instead of me writing div in the class, they say container, inside the div add another like maybe another list, add class of another list, and all lists. And inside the list, I want to add like list items. So if I keep doing like this, I'll waste a lot of time. So what I always do now is let's go to like where I want to create the div. Just but I don't need if it's div, I don't need to like write div or something like that. So whenever I just put this dots, it knows that I'm trying to like create a div. But if it's something different like a section, I need to like write section dot means name of the class. So if it's ID, you use hash. But now I'm creating a class of container. So inside the container, I want it to have another list. So inside that way it creates another list inside the container div. So let's say inside this another list I want to have five list items, and class of list item, and create an anchor tag. Inside the anchor tag I want to have link, let's say list links, and create a span tag. If I can enter now, create everything for me easy than creating it just one by one. So if I don't like it, I could just use this formatter extension prettier, then like try to like make it more prettier. What happened now is this extension. So if you want to like download an extension, you just come here, search for the extension that you want to download. Yeah, so that's the extension I use to like make it like neater like this way. So just click on it and click on install. So another tip I've learned now is the third one is let's say I want to like I made mistake, I don't want to use list item, I want to use like paragraph. So if you're like trying to change this list item, you have to remove this on another list. So to like change that, just click on one of these list item, make it like highlighted like this, then control D everything. So it selects every list item tags for you, then you can delete it and just have peek there. So when you're done, just click on escape. That way it's easier to like create create like change tags name easy than selecting one by one and like clicking everything one by one like that. So another way I've actually learned to like do something like that is maybe I want to like change this list item name. I want to change it. I could use Control D also for this one, but let's say I'm like I don't know about that. I just Control F to find list links. Another one I actually like always use is this alt. So if you want to like copy like all this whole block, you don't need to like highlight everything like that like this before you like being able to copy. Just click on alt Control C. No, just click on Control C. And you've copied it like that. You don't need to like highlight everything. So if I come down, Control V, I have it already. Yeah, thank you for watching.